Hello everyone. Continuing with the formula of trigonometrical ratios of multiple of angles. In the first part we have learnt about sine 2 theta and cosine 2 theta. In this second part we will learn about formula of tan 2 theta and cot 2 theta. To find the formula of tan 2 theta, we are knowing about tan A plus B which can be applied. The formula of tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. And in this formula, if we substitute A equal to B equal to theta, then we will have tan theta plus theta is equal to tan theta plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. Tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, tan square theta. So this becomes the formula of tan 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. We can also find the same formula by using sine 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. If we write tan 2 theta is equal to sine 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. We know the formula of sine 2 theta, that is 2 sine theta into cos theta upon cos square theta minus sine square theta. And if we divide this numerator and denominator by cos square theta to convert into tan, we will write dividing numerator and denominator by cos square theta. We will have here 2 sine theta into cos theta upon cos square theta, and in the denominator cos square theta upon cos square theta minus sine square theta upon cos square theta. If we simplify this, we are finding here that this cos theta cancels the square. Here cos square theta cancel, and we are left with here 2 sine theta upon cos theta, which is 2 tan theta. In the denominator we have 1 minus sine square theta upon cos square theta, which is tan square theta. So the same formula we are obtaining by this particular method also. To find the formula of cot 2 theta, we can have different 3 methods. The first one of them is the same as we have used for tan 2 theta. We know that cot of A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. And if we substitute here A equal to B equal to theta, then we will get cot of theta plus theta is equal to cot theta into cot theta minus 1 upon cot theta plus cot theta, and which is, you can see here, this is cot of 2 theta is equal to cot square theta minus 1 upon 2 cot theta. So this is the formula for cot 2 theta. Second method we can apply here the same as we have done for tan A plus B. That is, we can write cot 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta upon sine 2 theta. And we know cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta, and because we know the formula that cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. So we will divide this by sine square theta and we will have cos square theta upon sine square theta minus sine square theta upon sine square theta whole upon 2 sine theta into cos theta upon sine square theta. We find here sine square theta and sine square theta cancel. And here sine theta cancels this. So what we have done here, we have used division in numerator and denominator by sine square theta. So we write dividing numerator and denominator by sine square theta. And what we are getting? Cos theta upon sine theta is cot theta. So we are getting here cot square theta minus 1 upon. This is 2 cot theta. The same formula for cot 2 theta we have got by this particular method also. Third method of finding the formula for cot 2 theta, we can apply that cot 2 theta can also be written as 1 upon tan 2 theta. Since we know that cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. We know the formula of tan 2 theta. Can we write it as 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta? The reciprocal of this. Can we write this as 1 minus tan square theta upon 2 tan theta? Now we have to convert this into cot. So can we write here, this is 1 minus 1 upon cot square theta, and here it is 2 into 1 upon cot theta. If we take the LCM here, cot square theta, this is cot square theta minus 1, and here we take the LCM cot theta, this is 2 into 1 upon cot theta. This cot theta cancels the square. Are we getting here cot square theta minus 1 upon this cot theta will come to the denominator 2 cot theta. It means by this method also we are getting the formula for cot 2 theta is cot square theta minus 1 upon 2 cot theta. All the three methods give us the same formula. The only difference in tan 2 theta and cot 2 theta is in tan 2 theta we have 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, whereas in cot 2 theta it is cot square theta minus 1 in the numerator, not 1 minus cot square theta. That you have to remember. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.